Hey everybody, Dawson here on writing an equation with only one coordinate point and the slope. Wow, I spelled that one wrong, didn't I? Let's try that again. One coordinate point and the slope, and of course now the formatting gets all messed up. Okay, anyways, that's the point. That's what we're doing today, and our essential question is, can you write an equation with only one coordinate point and the slope? And the answer, of course, is yes. We will be doing that today. Okay, so here we go. One coordinate point and a slope of 1/3. So how do we go about doing this? Well, if we think back to y equals mx plus b, which is our standard form of an equation, y equals mx plus b, this is our slope-intercept form of the equation. I'm giving you the slope already. That's 1/3. Okay, well, so then that's y equals 1/3 x plus b. But I don't have b. I don't know what b is. So in order to solve that, I'm going to need to use the other information that I have up here, which is this coordinate point. So what I know is that this number here is my x value. That's how far I go to on the x-axis. This is my y value. That's where I'm going on my y value. And so I can take these numbers from this coordinate point, plug them into this equation, and solve for b. So let's see what that's going to look like. Y is -3 in this example. -3. And then I have 1/3 times whatever x is. Well, in this case, in this instance, x is 3. So I'll put my 3 there. Plus b. All right, well, that's fine. Certainly doesn't give me the answer. I got to do the math to figure this out. So -3 stays the same there. Now 1/3 times 3, well, if you remember how to multiply fractions, you can make 3 into 3/1, multiply the tops, that's 3, multiply the bottoms, that's 3, and 3/3, well, 3 divided by 3 is just 1, so that's 1 plus b. Now it's a one-step equation, pretty easy. Subtract 1 from each side, and that leaves me with b being equal to -4. And so now I have everything I need. I've got my slope, and I also have my y-intercept. Write my equation out. Y equals 1/3 x plus a -4. And of course, if you don't like to have the plus a -4 in there, you could always simplify it down to 1/3 x minus 4. So that's how you do it. Why don't you give one a shot? Here's your equation, or here's your point. Here's the slope. Remember, we're using the y equals mx plus b form to help us do this. But now I want you to do it. I want you to plug in the slope in for m, plug in 1 and 2 into y and x, and try to solve that. Pause the video, and then I'll be back to show you the work. Okay, let's see what you did here. So y is equal to -2 x plus b. If I take my 2 points here, plug 2 in for y, because this is my x value, this is my y value, so it's going to be 2 equals a -2 times 1, because that's my x value, plus b. Well, -2 times 1, that's 3, or sorry, that's -2 plus b. So 2 equals -2 plus b, and now I just solve that equation, add 2 to both sides, and I'm left with 4 over here and b on that side. So that's my y-intercept. Rewrite my equation with both of them in there. My -2 for my slope, and 4 for my b. That's the basic idea. Give you one more as a practice trial here. One more point. Go ahead and pause it and do this work yourself. All right, let's see how you did. This is again y equals 1/2 x plus b. And we can substitute in our 0 and our 2. 0 for y. 1/2 times 2 plus b. Make that into a fraction. And that's going to keep 0 on that side. This is going to be 1 times 2 is 2. 2 times 1 is 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. That's just like the other one. 1 plus b. Subtract 1 from both sides. Negative 1 is b. So in this case, y equals 1/2 x minus 1. And that's our final equation. So, short video, but this is how you find the slope from 2 coordinate points. Finding the slope from 1 coordinate point and the slope. All right. Hope you, and actually, to be honest with you, you can figure out, if you have 2 coordinate points, you can do the same thing. You just first find your slope, and then pick one of the 2 coordinate points. Either one, doesn't matter. And then find your b, find your y-intercept, and then write your equation. All right, hope this helped out. If you have any questions, please let me know. Take care.